guys, we're back with another video. I'm talking in the beginning again because I said I was going to talk more. First, I just want to say that I have a change of things going on here. We purchased a camping grill where we use gas so that the process cooks more evenly and better, because I noticed with my caramels when I made them, they were kind of uneven cooking. So on with it. We are making today butter chicken. It's typically an indie dish, and it's kind of like the chicken tikka masala, but the difference between the two is butter chicken has butter, wow, and there's more cream in the butter chicken, whereas a chicken tikka masala is the chicken is made in a whole different way, and it has more of a tomato base. But also I wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I made over 100 subscribers, which is a big deal for us because we've been doing this now for about 4 months, and we're just grateful for that. It can be hard sometimes. You know, it's hard getting those subscribers. And so I'm coming back with another video, and this, I have a few Indian subscribers as well. And so I want to do something of every culture and every taste. I want to appeal to all people, not just America, not just home cooking, but cooking all over the map. So without any further ado, let's get started. Finished product again. This is butter chicken, and we got some naan, but we got that from the fellow Indians where we live. This is basmati rice. This is a delicious dish, whether you make it at home or you go and get it. We ran the sauce through a sieve to kind of give it a smoother appearance, but I think maybe next time we should use regular plain yogurt, because the strongness of the yogurt is why it's not as smooth as it could be. But I'm telling you, it is as flavorful as it should be. So Mark, go ahead and taste it, because he's our friendly taster, guys.
Mm-hmm. Just gonna do it this way. Spot on.
Well, there you guys have it. You heard it here first. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Thanks for watching, and again, thank you to all of our 100 plus subscribers. We appreciate you. And in the meantime, we're still gonna do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like, comment, and subscribe, then I won't know to enter you into our wonderful, wonderful giveaway. You guys are gonna love this. So we'll be back with another video. Thank you so much for watching.